Hello everyone! Today I have prepared some hallway design ideas for you. I believe if you are planning a stylish interior for your home, you shouldn't forget about the hallway. Since this is the first place your guests will see, besides style, it's important for the hallway to be functional. You need to plan where you underdress and take off your shoes. It's also worth thinking about where you will store your outwear, shoes and bags. I tried to choose a variety of designs in style and size, and I hope that you will like my ideas. Well, enjoy watching, and I am waiting for your comments and likes. Have a nice day!